Okay, highlight from our chat session today, greatstockpicks.com. Just got a few to show you here. RIM is one of them. Hopefully you'll notice the trend of low risk entries. We call RIM right here, worst case stop right here. It only moved 35 cents in our favor, but you know, once it triggered, get the arrows out of the way. Once it triggered, if you noticed the original stop, and this is what's so important. I mean, within 5 minutes, it's all the way up here, and the original stop can go to break even. So really, when you have this 19 cent per share risk, whenever you get a move like this, the way we teach people to trade is right away you're selling some and get to a break even. So really, sometimes when you look at our results page, that 19 cents per share stop risk is kind of deceiving, because oftentimes it's only there for just a brief moment. SOL is another example of that. SOL, we were watching solars today. They're certainly overdue for a bounce, and SOL looked like this one. I called it at 904. I said if it breaks this base, it's pretty compelling here with a stop right below the base. So basically right there at 904, again, worst case stop, I think I put 894, but even that's deceiving, because in 5 minutes, I should say in 10 minutes, it's all the way up to 917. And then, you know, we're selling some and the stop goes to break even. And a nice run all the way up to almost 940. And the beauty of this one was, because it was such a tight base, knowing you're going to put your stop right below this base, you can up your position size a little bit. You know, if you normally trade 1,000, you could go 2,000 or 3,000, because you know your stop is right there. So you can trade a little bigger whenever you get a tight base break like that. And a lot of things were in our favor there too. Other solars were looking strong at the time. Now, if you look at the daily on SOL, just another ugly day. But that was actually one of my better trades today, because it took it with a little more size because of that low risk setup. So, and another one today, a little bit lower volume stock, Asia. Called it right here. Worst case stop right here. It took a while to get going. This isn't one of those that didn't look back, but it triggered, held the stop, and the entry call was 1831, and it did make it all the way to 1880, and the stop was only, what, 11 or 12 cents below that never got hit. So there's another one. We had some other small stuff today too, but overall a strange day. If you were trading today, you saw Network Appliance and Rhino, both of them get halted. You don't usually see two popular stocks get halted like that, but pretty interesting stuff. Anyway, in cash as always overnight, and we'll follow up tomorrow night with highlights from tomorrow's trading session. So have a good night. We'll talk to you later.